In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Telegram account to Whop. This connection can help streamline your communication processes, allowing for smoother and more efficient interactions. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you'll need to log into your Whop account. So grab your preferred web browser and type the Whop URL into the address bar. Once you're on Whop's homepage, go ahead and enter your login credentials. This will take you directly to your Whop dashboard. If you're new to Whop, or perhaps it's been a while since you last visited, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This little detour will make finding everything much easier as we move forward. Now that your Whop account is open and ready, your next move is to navigate to your profile. Cast your eyes towards the left side of the page, and you should see your profile icon there. Give that a click. It'll direct you to a special profile section where you can manage your personal settings and integrations. With the profile page in front of you, your objective is to find the option labeled Connected Accounts. Click on that. This section allows you to manage and view all external services linked to your Whop account. You'll notice a variety of services available, but for our task today, we're zeroing in on Telegram. Next, click on the Telegram option to initiate the connection process with your Telegram account. This simple action will trigger a pop-up on your screen providing specific instructions that you need to follow to complete the connection. To add your Telegram account, you'll need to send a message to the Whop bot within the Telegram app. Let's break down this process step by step. Open your Telegram app. You can do this easily from either your mobile device or your desktop, depending on what you prefer. Once you have the app open, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in the Whop bot's name, just as you would when searching for a contact. Upon successfully finding the Whop bot, start a conversation by clicking on its profile. You'll be taken right into the chat interface. Once there, you can either hit the Start button or type and send the command /start to initiate your chat with the bot. After kickoff, the next step involves deploying a unique code that you found in the Whop pop-up message. Carefully copy this code and paste it into your chat with the Whop bot. Hit send and pause for a moment. This procedure is especially crucial as it sets the stage for verifying and authenticating your account connection. Once the bot processes the code, you should get a confirmation message that the connection was successful. Keep an eye out for a prompt or notification because the dialog box on Whop will automatically close when the connection is complete, signaling that you're all set. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Telegram account to Whop. This integration will surely assist in managing your workflows and communication more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to take full advantage of these features in your daily routine.